Party's over and you don't look so good.
Hi baby, sen han i lately skunde moj spam.
Hello you guys, tonight. Dang it, I messed up already. Hello you guys, today's gonna be another video. I know I always say that, but I haven't been on my YouTube for a long time, and I know that's like typical for me, you know, but I actually have a life outside of YouTube. If you didn't know that, fun fact about me, if you didn't know that already, just throwing that out, but that's besides the point. And today is going to be another video. I already said that, yes I did. We're going to be reacting to racist band commercials today. I know you guys, don't even, but I wanted to come out with a video because I haven't made one. I don't know, but every time I get ready to film, something always happens. Like, let me give you a scenario. Say if I want to film a YouTube video, like the other day I was going to film a YouTube video, this exact YouTube video, and like my phone died. So I had to charge my phone, and then I didn't even want to feel like recording the video, so I just gave up on it. But I'm doing it today, yeah. And today my computer decided to die, so it is currently like at the nighttime. So yeah. And today is going to be another awesome video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And you know, see the fashion statement I'm trying to make. I don't know, I just wanted to try this hat out in this video. I hope you guys like it. But my hair is actually done. See this shirt? I don't even know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm going to be reacting to these videos. And today we're going to get triggered. I'm just playing, y'all. Like and subscribe to my channel. Get this video to how many likes, I don't care. Just like this video. And go watch my other video and like and subscribe to my channel. And my sister did a collab with this amazing YouTuber. I just want to shout him out real quick. This amazing YouTuber, his name is JLo Mads. I'll link his description. And dang. I will link his video in the description, and I totally forgot what I was just saying, y'all. Like, my mind just went. Whatever. Go watch that. I'll link it in the description. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Oh wait, and if you guys haven't noticed from this, y'all can't see it, but you know, I went to go see Darian. I just said Darian. Oh my gosh. De'Ara and Ken on tour. If you haven't seen from my last video, yeah, that was lit. And I was so excited, y'all. Like, they are my favorite YouTubers. I love them so much. And as you can see from my little poster right here, let's just get on to the video because I'm just talking way too much, and all you came for was to see me react to this. So yeah. So I have my computer right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Really don't care. But I have searched up on YouTube racist band commercials, and looking at this right now, I'm already highly disappointed. Okay, whatever. Oh, it's a balloon. It's a balloon. Okay, so she's crying for her balloon. Disrespectful. Oh my gosh, that was so disrespectful. He was just getting the balloon for the little girl, and you.
A man fills many roles in his lifetime: provider, protector, master of the house. As a father, you have a vital role in your family's life. They depend on you to be there. We help to make sure you can fulfill that. No matter what they call you. At the end of the day, you know you're just
Need a tip when you're stuck in an awkward situation?
Too easy. KFC's crowd pleaser. A huge variety of delicious chicken and plenty of tasty sides.
Okay. I don't really get what was so racist about that. They was just serving chicken. My phone decided to stop recording. I guess it has a mind of its own now. I was playing this video and I already reacted to it, but I just want you guys to hear it because
Chocolate cream Oreo, the most amazing thing to.
I've came across this one. It's called Racist Commercials. Sorry, Jerry's mattress. So it intrigued my eye, so I'm gonna just look at it.
Hi, I'm Gary at the one and only Gary's Mattress. Now with locations in Koreatown and Little Tokyo. We are karate chopping the prices are just for you. Even we would buy it. We're blowing up prices! Yay! Man on horse, bring gold! We're scalping prices! If you find a mattress at a better price, I'll kick a puppy and punch a kitten just for you!
No! Gary!
I'm so tired of eating dust. I've tried everything and nothing works. Is there anything that can make this car faster?
Try some of this, sport.
Dude, Cooter!
Sambo X15 is specially formulated for the way America drives. It blasts and cleans away those stubborn black deposits that rob your engine of power.
It lubricates and protects.
Listen to her purr. Thanks, Duke.
Don't thank me. Thank Sambo X15. It's what the pros use.
May I expect dinner? Presently, Mr. Harry. Presently.
What would the noontime be without the classic Leave It to Beulah? Beulah, who's always in the kitchen.
Never seems to know what's cooking.
Weekdays at noon.
Do you know someone of questionable racial identity? A neighbor? Someone at work? Contact the Office of Racial Identity at 1-800-555-PASS. You might be eligible for a cash reward.
That's right. Passing.
Oh, dim microscopic shiners gleaming your teeth us? Go on now. That's it. All right. Now that's the power of dark. Darky.
For a shine that's jigaboo bright.
Carla, honey, I just saw your slave running off down the street. Hurry,
What?
please. No problem. No problem.
I know she did it. She did not say what.
Your slave running off.
Just place the shackle around his or her wrist, and when your property strays from your designated area, in minutes, the authorities have your chattel in custody. The secret? Inside the shackle is a space-age computer monitoring chip, allowing the police to track your slippery buck on radar. In no time, he's back home in his cabin. Made of lightweight aluminum alloys, the shackle won't weight your uncle down like old-fashioned chains. And it's tough. The shackle will stand up to the most strenuous of escape attempts. It's unbreakable.
Isn't that like what the police use for house arrest?
It comes in a variety of sizes, perfect for children, and at the low, low price of down home.
At the Cool Chicken Inn, we aim to please. The best 100% mammy-made family-style meals. You can taste the love.
I like the white meat. I'm a breast man.
We just love it here. You'll just keep hollering, gal, fetch me some more. Look for that wide-mouthed coon near you.
Coon Chicken Inn.
I just gave this place a good scrubbing, but everything is still dull as dishwater. Miss Ann's gonna fret something fierce.
Hi.
Who is you?
I'm Goldie. I'm Dusty. We're the Goldust twins.
Are you a slave to housework? Let the Goldust twins emancipate you.
I'm honestly done with this video. I'm done. I should never did this. This was a bad idea. Get this video to a certain amount of likes. I don't care anymore. I'm just bye. See you next time. Love you guys. Bye.